Rice is one of those basic kitchen staples, but people just don't know how to cook it properly. I'm going to show you how to cook boiled rice, and I'm using brown rice today. We're going to add 1 cup of rice to a strainer, and we're going to rinse it under cold water to get rid of all the starch. Bring a large pot of water to the boil and add your rice. This amount of rice should be enough to serve 4 people. You want to bring the rice back to the boil, and brown rice takes longer to cook, so around 25 minutes. When it's done, it'll still have a little bit of a bite to it. Make sure you give the rice a stir occasionally, just so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. To test the rice is ready, be careful because it's hot. Just take a grain and crunch it in your teeth. It should still be a little bit firm. Once it's cooked, remove it from the heat and strain it over the sink. Brown rice is great to serve with stir fries or as the base to salad bowls. The rice is now ready to serve.